In this video, we will demo our Video Clipper and Scorer tool that clips long videos and reels in minutes and scores the clips on viral potential based on sound, facial expression, dialogue, silences, and identifies keywords if you have subtitles burned or on file. For this video, I deliberately selected a large video file around 3 GB so we can test how quickly and efficiently our tool clips and scores the videos. Also, our tool does not have any size or length limit, and we tweaked our tool to better render larger files in MP4 format. So for the subtitle as well, there are many different free online services that help you create a subtitle file, or you can also use Whisper to create it on Python. I already have a subtitle downloaded for this video, so let me upload it here. There you go. For our tool, you don't need any sign up or login. I have already uploaded the video, as you can see, and uploaded a subtitle as well. Now here, we have some parameters, as you can see. We can enter our length preferences right here, a minimum length or a maximum clip length. We also have some presets here, so I'll just use a preset for interview. We also have a scene sensitivity parameter as well, so I'll keep it a little lower, minimum score and early good score. We will also check this box to detect the facial expressions. It takes a few more extra seconds, but it also makes the tool more accurate. And while we are doing all this, our video is getting uploaded and prepared for the clipping as well in the server. Now we hit the Detect Scenes button right here, and it will start running the clipping tool. It should take a few minutes for this to run. So it took around a couple of minutes for the tool to run, and you can see we have all the clips here. We have around 160 clips. So next, we will do the scoring of these clips simply by hitting the Score Clips button. And this itself will take another couple of minutes. As you can see, our video is also getting uploaded in the background while the scoring tool is running. So as you can see, the scoring process is quick as well, and pretty soon we should have the scores for the clips here. As you can see, they have been scored, and you can also see some emoticons that shows you the emotional tone of the scenes, and you can sort the clips based on time and based on score. So let me sort them by score, and let's see which ones are our highest scoring clips. So you can check the clips in the previews. This is our
like you. I was just saying I need to know about this stuff from the eyes off.
They need attention.
How's it going?
See all of them
When did y'all get here?
have a number of emoticons
We slept here last
of the scenes, and they also identify some keywords which we have already programmed into the tool. And if you like the clips that you preview, you can download them in MP4 format simply by clicking this MP4 button. As soon as the video is uploaded in the background, your MP4 clip will be ready for download. And again, just to keep in mind that, really big files, and I'm talking 2 GB, 3 GB files, this uploading process may take longer, but you can always track the progress here, and it is almost finished getting uploaded, and very soon you can see the MP4 clips ready for download. And MP4 file format, again, gives you a lot of flexibility to use with other tools and platforms. And as you can see, our selected clip is ready and it's already downloaded here. And I will also play it quickly for you so that you can see.
Like you,
Right.
like you. I was just saying,
So
I
there
need
it
to know
is.
about
This
this
is the
from
clip
the
that we
eyes all the way
selected.
down.
That's
It's stunning.
scored
Stunning.
So the inspiration is coming from a new album.
So yeah, so this is our tool, SceneClipper, and you can use it to clip and score and download your favorite clips within minutes. Please let us know what you think of this tool and how we can improve it. This is a part of a host of creator tools that we are developing at MyStar Play. Feel free to check out our platform as well. It's MyStar Play. It is a video sharing platform where you can upload and monetize your videos and reels of any size or length for free. So thank you again for watching this video and see you next time.